Hello, everyone. This video series, and I'm calling it series because it may be like 2 or 3 videos. This is in response to all those who requested to see a training after reading my comment on Dan Henry's post. So thank you for that. And so he asked in his post, can someone break down for me how people are doing these faceless YouTube automation channels? Don't sell me your blank course. I don't care. I'm just curious of the strategy and approach. So I was among probably the first few that commented, and I did like a pretty detailed comment, and I commented, okay, so just take trendy video titles from YouTube, ask ChatGPT to rewrite the titles, making it more persuasive, trendy, controversial, or funny, and then ask ChatGPT to write video script for the same title it just gave you, and then paste all of this in video editor. I use Wave.video, but there's Pictory as well, and there are other that I use that I know of. It will generate the entire video with music, images, slides, and text on screen in a matter of, I believe, like less than a minute. So I just commented that, and I said the strategy is to generate a lot of content this way, and the approach is usually to cover any and all trending videos via shorts. So this, everybody loved my answer, and everyone, after I commented, I received over 100 DMs asking me how to do this, and I have already told almost all of you that I don't have a course or training on this. I don't. Okay, I will create just a video series for you, so in which I will cover my entire process. Okay, quick disclaimer: this is just my side passion project, and so I've just done it enough, or I'm going to say I've made enough mistakes to know and kind of to create a process for myself. And I'm currently training a few people on this exact process so they can work on my different channels for me. I do, however, have a friend who offers this program, so I will put maybe his link in the description. Just mention that Nosheen sent you in case you need somebody to hold your hand while you do this. I will also provide you with the links to all the tools that I personally use or I know of, because there are a ton of these tools now. Gosh, I wish they had these, like, not even like last year or like 2020 or 2021, but they do now. And all these tools, they will just make all this work easy and efficient. Trust me, when I started this before this AI fever that everyone has, it took a lot of time. It took a lot of time for me, and I did not have time for it. So I ended up, I did get a channel, monetized. I did start getting like some $350 first month revenue, and I stopped posting. And now that I have, all these tools, I started again on these, just being transparent here. That is what I'm doing. And I'll just cover all my process with you. So what we will be covering top trending niches, and catchy YouTube names, relevant keywords, hashtags, and how I batch at least 10 to 20 titles at the same time, get the video script ready, and how I finally create these videos. And I'm currently in the process of doing this, and I want to make sure that it works seamlessly. And I will record a video on this, how I automate like uploading and updating the description of each video. And I'm also going to share a copy of a spreadsheet that I use just to keep things organized. All right, so without wasting any more time, let us start. I'm going to share my screen. Give me 1 second. All right, how I find trendy niches. Before I share how I find it, I know for a fact that the top, the hottest trend these days is AI, like anything artificial intelligence. If you're into that, it will do really good, and gaming. So I am into artificial intelligence. I've begged my kids to give me some videos because they're into gaming, but I still have not gotten even a single video from them. So that's my limitation, and I am unable to create a channel specifically on gaming, which is it's just not me. So if you or one of your kids are into it, very, very lucrative channel, very lucrative niche. And these two are like the highest CPM niches as well. Although there's another one that I know that you get a lot of views, which is celebrity gossip, right? But for that, the CPM is not that high, and you do want high CPM just so that you get paid more. You may not get a lot of views, but just because your niche is trendy and it has high CPM, you get a lot of you make a lot of money. And then with that, you not only do affiliate marketing, you can also you can also sell your own digital products or somebody else's digital products as an affiliate marketing, and also make money through ad revenue and YouTube, whatever YouTube does. Shorts are being monetized as of last month as well. So that's the thing as well. I usually do one long form video and then I create 5 short videos from it. And those short videos tend to bring in the views and subscribers as well. Another thing I want to mention that there's a website called Social Blade. That's where you can check what each channel is supposedly making. It's pretty much on the low side what they're making. That's what's showing, but just know whatever is being shown, the actual amount is different and it's a lot higher than what they show. This is just to kind of test and confirm that whatever niche you chose does have a potential. Okay. And I do want to mention that make sure you have an objective in mind, like why you're creating this channel, right? Of course, we want to make money and we want to do this, but then also when you have your objective to sell digital products, to make money from YouTube and to do affiliate marketing and all that, while also creating like a compelling story around your video. So the audience retention is high. You don't want people clicking and then going away because that's clickbait and YouTube does not like that. So I think we can easily create the same video that others are creating, only better, right? We can create a better copy. We can create a better footage. I've even done this, that I've hired Fiverr and I asked them to record footage for me. So I would use that in multiple as B-roll in multiple videos. So that'll be like my footage, right? So then my video is going to be a little different than all the other videos. You can do that. I tried it. I spent a lot of money on it. I'll be honest, it wasn't worth it. But maybe, I'm saying this because I am still not 100% in it, because this is like a passion project. So whenever I have time. So I think I'm guilty of doing that. If I had given it its due attention and time, things would have been a lot different, right? And I do intend to do that. I'm just busy with my own software, and kind of creating it or making it better and dealing with clients and their issues. So this is kind of on the back burner right now. Okay, so the most popular niches were, like I said, gaming and AI, but there are other that are like my top favorite. And one of them is top 5s. People have done top 10s and top 5s. I say top 3 is going to be really, really popular when you do like a top 3. And then I recommend going, sub-niching into that. Like if it's makeup, then top 3 trends of summer, or top 3 ways to apply whatever, or top 3 looks for, whatever, right? So then you should create like a lot of videos on that and attract audience, and then kind of go a little bit broad. But don't go broad because then you may not attract the right kind of audience. All right. So number one was my, the top 3 one, right? So top 3, whatever. Facts, number 2. Okay. So facts, any facts, like facts about a person, facts about an organization, facts about an authority, like anyone. So what happens is that the person or the organization already has, a lot of influence. And so when you create a video on that particular topic, you kind of steal their audience, right? And then that's how you gain viewership as well as retention. Finance channel, like anything crypto, finance, trading, all this huge market for that. Okay. Next one I have is cars, right? Luxury cars, anything expensive, like crazy, stupid expensive, right? That just works. Like people want to watch them. That's all. And that's the whole point. As long as we get them to stay to watch the whole video, that's what YouTube wants to do. That's what YouTube pays us to do. So that's what it is. And then with cars comes, expensive lifestyle. I've particularly subscribed to a lot of these, lifestyle channels that are faceless. I just love watching their videos. So I know that's what people watch as well. So one of the channels is Alux, I think, alux.com or something like that. But again, you can go and check alux.com in Social Blade and see how much money they make. They make a ton. But anyway, okay. Next would be home remedies or herbal, remedies or solutions, whatever. Everyone is into this. Everyone's conscious of their health these days. And when it's herbal, then it's like natural, right? Or call it natural, call it herbal, and it just sells. So that too is another category you can choose. Okay. I recently visited Florida, so now I am creating like one channel designated to Disney. That's just one of my own. This is again a personal passion for me, and I just want to do it. And all of this is just a test right now. How we're going to do find a name, because we already went over what the trendy niches are. So let me share my screen. Okay, so let's go to YouTube. Make sure you're not logged in. So the first one I had mentioned was you can look through here to find relevant ideas. Sports is a good niche too. It works really well. Music is a good one too. I'm not sure if you're into this, but if you look at this, like the views that it has, it's like ridiculous. And then let's see. Okay, and then we go to trending and see what is trending. You can pick out of these any niche that, like I said, gaming is huge. But let's look at gaming. One day ago, this is again gaming niche. It's like ridiculous. Okay. All right, let's suggest a few trendy names for a YouTube channel about cars. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Now let's see. Suggest a few trendy names for a YouTube channel about expensive lifestyles. Okay, we already have the rich life. I know I'm subscribed to it, but anyway, I like the jet set. Okay, let's do suggest a few trendy names for a YouTube channel about oh, I like this. No, organic oasis, healing herbs, rooted wellness, natural nurturer, botanical bliss. Anyway, so this is how you generate names. Okay, so let's go back to we did about cars, right? Let's look for a channel about cars, or let's do luxury cars, and let's look for channels. Okay, luxury cars, auto collection, luxury cars. So then I would just take a few of these that are like most relevant to you and then subscribe to them. All right. So then pick a name for this, choose, I would say 5 channels for inspiration, and then add them to this list. Choose your name of your channel. So let's choose maybe Auto Lives, Auto Obsessed. The wheel deal is good. Okay, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inspirations. Okay, and this is like for 2 channels if you want to start simultaneously. It's up to you, but this is what it is. Okay.
I didn't know if anyone was coming by.
So I opened all of these channels. I'm going to go ahead and go to Social Blade. This is where you enter the YouTube channel name, and it tells you, how much money they make. All right, so this one earns between, now this is a huge gap, like 5.8K per month or 361. It's like big, but it's usually like way more than this. This is just an average on the lower side. All right. Okay, so I just want you to add these channels, right? So you have some inspiration. And now let's go look for a channel description. Create a YouTube description for a channel called The Wielding. Persuasive and funny YouTube description. Wow, I love this. And just remember, 4 wheels move the body, but the wheel deal moves the soul. I like it. So this is your YouTube channel, right? And you can add after this, you can add your social media handles, you can add your affiliate marketing links, you can add your if you're selling any digital products, sky's the limit what you can sell within YouTube video descriptions. And this is just the channel description. Okay, so that's that. So we're going to just copy this and we're going to paste this here. Okay. Now, main keywords. So let's ask ChatGPT for the same. Suggest powerful keywords for the above channel. Suggest trending hashtags for the above channel. I like Wheel Wednesday. Wow, Tire Tuesday. Oh my God, this is great. I love this. So this will tell you how to segment your videos too. On Wednesdays, you're talking about Wheel Wednesday, or just use that hashtag Tire Tuesday, Grim Reviews, and this could be like different categories within your niche. I love this. Anyway, so we're going to copy this. And this was hashtags. I'm going to go main hashtags. And we have main keywords as well, which was the same as this. Yeah. And let's look at that. Okay, that's that. Okay, now out of these channels, let's see. Let's ask ChatGPT. Okay. Suggest 20 viral and trendy video titles that are click-worthy and about the above channel. I forgot what we named it. Right. These are 20 right there. So I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste them here. I'm going to stop this video here and we're going to go and actually create a video within like a matter of minutes. All right, in my next video.